Are your gutters prepared to weather the next storm? Did you know that clogged gutters are actually one of the most common causes of roof leaks? Gutters play an integral part in your roof's performance and the overall condition of your home. Neglecting a small gutter issue now will lead to larger and more costly repairs down the road. Don't underestimate the importance of routine gutter maintenance, and trust it to professionals, because cleaning your own gutters can be very dangerous for some homeowners. Give us a call today for quality and affordable gutter installation, repair, and maintenance.